HDL, hardware descriptive language. Okay? So it will be using a different syntax po guys. Okay? But essentially, ang syntax niya is close to that of C programming. So, dili ra kay mo ma-worry ani niya. Kay duol naman siya sa C. But of course, na yung mga syntax that you need to be aware of. Okay? Which is specific sa mga HDLs. So, mani atong ipili is very low since it is the language closest to C programming. Okay? So, we also have katong VHDL unta, but I opt not to use that type of language na lang. Kaya mas steep siya of learning curve. Okay? Yeah. Same time, ang iyang compiler, dili free. So, mas maayo ang sa Verilog kay free ra. Okay? So, what do we need? Okay, for our subject. So, you might want to install and download this application on your computers. So, you have Quartus and you also have Model Sim. Okay? So, napod tayo D10 Lite ng mga drivers na ito akong need i-install. Which is again, makuha na nato for free. Okay? So, what are these tools for? So, ang Model Sim mo na gamit nato for logic simulation. Okay? Now, simulation nga makita ninyo diri guys will not be the same as that of Proteus na simulation. Magputang kag LED, magputang kag motor, makita nimo nga motor yung mga motor o musika ang LED. Dili ana nga simulation na makita ninyo. Makita ninyo nga simulation diri are basically waveforms. Okay? That generates the relationship between input and output. Okay? So, waveforms na ito ang makita. We also have Quartus Prime Line. Okay? So, mo ni atong gamiton as the synthesis tool or implementation tool para sa HDL. Okay? And this is the reason why we will not be using katong mga open source. Kaya nga naman, the kit that we will be using, okay, kani siya, kanang DE10 Lite is affiliated with Intel. Okay, so ang chip na ito ang gamit is from Intel. So it is but right for Intel to also provide us with a tool na pwede na ito magamit for development. Okay? So just like kanang sa Arduino nga hardware kit, diba? So sila ra po i-provide ninyo IDE that you can use easily together with your actual Arduino kit. Okay? So, mo na siya guys. So, kani may medyo dako-dako size si Quartus. So, Max 10 device, again, this is just a library add-on sa Quartus Prime para dali na lang ang paggamit sa tuang kit. Okay? So, information about the hardware that we will be using is now found in this Max 10 device file. Okay? So, think of it as a header file. Okay? Para magamit din mo ang imong hardware, you need this library. Okay?
Libre na ba, sir?
Libre ra. Okay? Libre ra ang kaninga file. But ang kaninga hardware, palitonon pa na siya. Okay? So, tagpila mo na siya ma-tool. Okay? So, we are using DE10 Lite. Okay? So, tagpila man na siya. Now na to. So, here in Amazon,
Shopee.
okay, naa siya sa ilang retailers. Wala ikot ang price. Wala ikot ang price.
Dalawa niya.
So in DigiKey Philippines, it's only about 8,318 pesos and 88 centavos. Okay? So usa ni siya sa mga reason why ko mo pagamit ani niya for the project. Okay? Kay barato ra kay siya. Okay? Dali ra pud jud kayo pangitaon. Okay? So, wala siya.
Hindi, gitayaan na kay why palit.
Okay? So, pang entry level naman sa niya to ang ipalit. Okay? Since, again, the subject is just an introduction to HTML. Okay? And, asa ta maka-download sa mga application, of course, agto ta sa Intel. Okay? So all you need to do is, again, just simply go to the Intel website. You can browse onto the products. Yeah, i-select lang ninyo ang Intel Quartus Prime Design software. Okay? So, i-open ninyo ani niya. Of course, you will be met with the latest version. But of course, we won't be using the latest version. Nganong dili man latest version, sir? It's because ang latest version ng nila would require you to log on to the internet for verification sa imong account. Though free ra gyapon siya, you need to verify your account, which is something that we cannot do sa atong setup dire kaya atong computer di man ka-connect sa internet. So of course, unless ganahan mo nga mo gamit sa inyong data. Okay? Connect ang inyong cellphone to the laptop or to the computer, then register your account. So para mas less hassle, we will instead use an older version of Intel Quartus. Okay? So ano lang ta diri sa light edition niya, and then we will be using 23.1. Okay? Na version. So so 24 na gani diri ang latest niya. Okay. Yeah. So far na i-pump pa today 23.1.1 latest. But I'm not sure in 23.1.1 if kailangan ba mulag in sa user. Okay? So wala na i-try niya kaning 23.1.1 if there's no need ba magsigig login ang user sa net. Okay? Kay kung dili gani siya makasulod,
I-block sa firewall set.
kay ato na lang ibalik ang 23.1. Okay. So when you download, okay, naman kay option dire, light download baron, multiple download. Okay, now I would be asking you to just download any individual files. Okay, you won't need everything. Okay, so ang atong i-download is kanilang Quartus light setup. Yan, na Questa. Kung sa main Questa, Questa is just similar to Model C. Okay, so anong di man Questa ang atong i-download na sila na kay partner. Again, issue sa dani niya is kailangan ka mo log in to verify. That's why we are simply using Model C. Okay? Para wala na online verification. No need to download. Ang importante is once ma-install, magamit lang ninyo Largo. Okay? So, money inganilay ko ha. itagsa-tagsa na to download because we don't need to download everything. Okay, sayang lang sa space. Ang i-download nato is kanira 1.6, ang Quartus Lite setup, o sa to nga library Max 10, which is around 285. Okay? Kaya tanawa, Cyclone, that's around 1.3 gig. Dagko kay mga sizes. And you won't be needing this. Kaya ano man, we don't have this device. So we won't be playing with this device. Ang naroon na to is kaiman, Max 10 FPGA device.
Tulot ako sa no, Max 10, Quartus, tatlong kuan.
Quartus o Model SIM. Okay? So, sa Model SIM, Model SIM. So again, it is something that you can download for free. Okay. So this is the latest version, 20.1.1. Okay. So ang hinagyapan mo sa Windows software, since you will be using Windows environment, and download it. So ako po siya 1.2. Okay. So katura mga to ang ipang download. Okay. And also po we already have ito Quartus, Model SIM,
Then Max 10.
then Max 10 as the library for the trainer that we'll be using. You'll also need to look for this SIM. Okay? So we will use this SIM as an alternative simulator para sa ato ang hardware. So instead na kung man mo create sa mong program, ipadagan mo sa actual hardware dayon, you can use this simulator for that. Okay? But dili siya mao. Okay? Tara guys, under sa GitHub, FPGA Academy. Okay? Kay lahi ni nga DSIM ang ilang pasabot diri. Okay? So anhita diri kaning FPGA Academy. Okay? So, of course, for you to be able to use this application, you would need nga ma-install si Model SIM da. Okay? So, na naman na siya hinoon ko rin. Okay? So, what daw ni Okay. So again, these are downloadable for free, guys. Okay. So download ra ninyo for free na lang. Okay. So I think mo lang sila siya for introduction. So as we move along with our discussion, kita ra mo code something that looks like this. Okay. So, money sample code sa Verilog in creating an inverter.
Ito lang, murag squiggly na concept.
Tel design.
Ay, TLD, oh.
Kung sa'y meaning ng
Ay,
TELD, in C programming that is equivalent to unsa? Bitwise not. Okay, kanang TELD. Bitwise not. Unsa nga siya? That means every bit in the number will be inverted. Okay, unlike the exclamation mark, which is a relational operator or logical operator. Okay? So again, ato ara na siyang i-familiarize. Kung magtanaw mo, kung mag-create kag variable, pare-pareha ra mag-syntax sa C. Ang ato lang is i-familiarize na to unsa man ang pasabot sa input, unsa man ang pasabot sa output. masabtan naman siguro no base dira kung sa input o sa output. So referring to the pins of the inverter. Okay? So kung magtanaw mo, walay main. Okay? Unlike C. Okay? Pero na siya term such as kaning module. Nya usang pagkabaw, asa mo man ang kaning module. Na siya pares and module. Okay? So mo na mag-serve as your what? So tawag na to ng curly brackets. Kung sa'y gamit sa curly brackets when you are programming in C. So tawag ano kanang curly brackets. Statement block. Okay, so we use the curly brackets to identify asa tama yung coverage sa imong statement block. So dire we have the module to open and we have the end module to close the statement. Okay? Yeah, the rest, kung magtanaw mo again, pare-pareha ra jud og C programming. Ang ato na lang is pag-familiar kung saan siya mga syntax. Output, input, assign. Okay? So again, in this tool, Model Sim, napuntay ka ng mga term, compile. Okay? So again, there are these other examples that you see here. So kanimo ni gitawag nato nga test bench, which is utilized to test your HDL code. Okay? So from here you will be encountering terms like instantation. Okay? So kanang mga gitawag natong objects. Okay? It's a common term diri sa HDL. Okay?
Objects ka pareha sa old design.
Like, so here is another example of the test bench code. So example, very simple example of how inverters work. Okay? So this will be the window that you will be seeing when you will be working with Model C. Okay? So makita nimo na kasagaran when you test your program is output waveform. Okay? So dili pareha sa Proteus nga simulator nga nay LED magsigad, nay motor nga magtuyok, not like that ang simulation. Okay? Mathematical ang iyang simulation. Okay? So muna guys, ang atuang Model C. Okay? Yeah, ang quartus, para unsa man yung quartus. So ang quartus gigamit na nato para sa planning. Okay? O provide og mga configuration para sa atuang FPGA kit. Okay? na ni quartus ang configuration na niya. So that's why we need to download katong Max10 nga library para mailhan niya ang atoang device. Okay? So I think wala naman siguro ni problema kay ang quartus na paman sa inyong PC na install ng nadaan. Ang atoang na lang isang paggamit sa siya. And for starters, maglisod ani niya kay di man nimo ma-totally compare with C nga process sa development. Okay? So nasa siya process na ito ang i-follow.
Dagan ba tag practical ani na subject sir? Practical.
So we have how many? 17 minus 4 13
Practical?
13 weeks. Okay? Of lecture and laboratory. So since this is a laboratory subject, more on exercises with dani kaysa sa discussion. Okay? So wala ko ang usbon nga sa procedure niya. Okay? So, muna guys. Okay?
Oh, sir,
intro for our subject.
Magkuhan ka, sir, maggamit ng index cards para index cards para
Bili na. Diretso na kung check sa inyo. Okay. See. So, nakanindot ani ron, tagsa-tagsa man mo. Okay? So, tuwara dyan na siya mabantayan ang inyong pagkukuha. Okay? So, this is the simulator, guys. Again, don't expect too much. Kanindot siya UI because, again, this is something that you can get for free. Okay? So, kaning mga kita ninyo diri na LEDs, okay? Na yung mga switches, na yung push button,
Mura siya sa printer.
okay? So, kasagaran sa makita ninyo diri are actually almost the same as what you'll be seeing dira sa ato actual kit. Okay? So, unfortunately, nato ma-simulate or mapadagan ang sample niya nga code since wala pa man ma-install sa akong unit ang model sim. Okay. So again, this is something that you could get for free. Again, just search for DSIM niya pangitaan ng GitHub FPGA Academy na nimo ma-download dira guys ang iyang example. Okay? Or ang application. Okay? And muna siya ang ato ang overview for this course. Okay? So, we'll be using this type of trainer.
Sir, ito DSIM, Quartos, Max 10, then
Quartos, DSIM, yeah, okay. Model SIM, and Max 10. Okay? So this is what we will be using niya sa tuwang activity kit. So kung tanaw ninyo, in a way it has been riding on the name of Arduino. So na siya murag mga Arduino compatible nga mga connectors. Okay? So they are thinking that this could be used as an alternative to Arduino. It's not that easy compared sa Arduino. Okay? So, nadiri ang iyang discussion about how those different IOs are connected to the chip Max 10, which is, of course, an FPGA. Okay? So, kita nato dire an example kung sa gibuhat niya a decoder. Okay? So sa decoder o sa kailangan, so we need to plot ang output nimo asa si A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So you also need to identify the other pins that will be required. In this case, na ay upat ka buong input pins. Okay? So RBI, LT, RBI. Okay? So blanking input, lamp test, ripple input. Okay? And of course, ang walang kasawa-sawang truth table. Okay? Gamit po din ang truth table para sa programming. Yes. when you create your design. Okay? So again, analysis of your chips operation. Okay? So timing diagram. Okay? Simple raman eh. Diba? So again, RBI, PT, LO. Okay?
Nalahi lang yung concert to table doon. Nalahi yung configuration.
Referring man to the output fields. So, modify man lang. So, wala din kayo masunod. Okay? So, here are some of those schematics.
Under.
Okay? Under sa blanking input, blank test, o triple blanking input. Okay? So, again, here are just some of the examples that you can see later on our discussion. Okay? So how is your LED R0 to LED R9 connected to your diodes? Okay? So, series selection. So, saan di mo pag-decode ang numero kay mo ipa-display. So, link lang kanin into consideration. Ang hex 30 to hex 36 would be responsible for controlling your 7-segment display. Okay? So, ako yung mga explanation, guys. Okay? So, this one that you see here is the representation of the FPGA's input-output pins. Okay? Input-output pins. Pila day nakabuk pins na adila sa ilawom, sir? Ubay-ubay.
Mura na nagkuhan, sir.
Okay? Mura kaduwa o kono. Pero kuwang ra kaayo ang number of chess pieces. Okay? So, ingana guys ang representation sa FPGA. Okay? So, lingaw ra niya kuha ni hopefully. Okay? So, kuha ra niya ng maagian.
Nasa day siya yung murag switch, sir.
Gamay na siya. Gamay na.
Mura na nagkuhan pa, Arduino. Ay, mas dako ko gamay Arduino.
Mas lakok pala sa Arduino. Kaya imagine, ang Arduino nimo kanibya siya.
Mga 3/4 na, sir.
More yun ang size oh.
Oo, alam ito.
That is pin compatible with your Arduino na pinings. Okay? So, ito yung punta nila kay they were thinking that with all the shields available in Arduino, magamit po dira sa DE10 Lite. Okay? Apan lang diri na yung mga other accessories si DE10 Lite na wala sa Arduino. Okay? Like kung sa man, mga switches, 7-segment display, LEDs, push buttons, wala pa si Arduino. Okay? So you could actually also create your own algorithm para makontrol mo ang TV. Okay? So essentially, you will only be using VGA. Wala pa tayo HDMI. Kaya complicated kayo ang protocol sa HDMI. So, kani.
Magkapa-display din siya, sir.
Pwede nyo magamit ang kaning kit, guys. You could create your own CPU with it. Okay? And you can have your own mini personal computer. But of course, don't expect na pas-pas operation. Okay? Okay, it's just a quadrant software-based solution. Okay? So, mo na siya guys. Expected natin So again, next meeting we will start with PLDs. Okay? Para of course natay overview, why do we need